The van der Waals Equation Interactive Calculator solves a critical challenge in real gas behavior modeling. While ideal gas laws work fine at low pressures, they fail dramatically when dealing with compressed gases, liquefied gases, or near-critical conditions. This calculator implements the van der Waals equation to accurately predict thermodynamic properties, accounting for molecular size and intermolecular forces. Let's explore the interface. First, you'll see the Select Calculation Mode drop-down with 6 options. Calculate pressure, calculate molar volume, calculate temperature, calculate number of moles, calculate compressibility factor, and calculate critical properties. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Pressure. Below that are 6 input fields. Number of moles, N, accepts values in mole. Volume 5 takes cubic meters. Temperature T uses Kelvin. Pressure P is entered in pascals. The van der Waals A constant represents intermolecular attraction in Pascal meter to the 6th per mole squared. The van der Waals B constant accounts for molecular volume in cubic meters per mole. Let's work through a practical example calculating the pressure of carbon dioxide in a storage tank. Enter 2.5 for number of moles. Set volume to 0.05 cubic meters. Input temperature as 298.15 Kelvin. For CO2, the van der Waals A constant is 0.3658, and the B constant is 0.0004267. Click Calculate. The result shows approximately 4.8 million pascals, or 48 bar, significantly different from the ideal gas prediction of 51 bar. This 6% difference is crucial for pressure vessel design and safety calculations. Common mistake. Always verify your unit consistency, especially with the A constant, which has complex units. Find the link in the description below.